Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can view apps you installed in the past on Play Store. So here I'm going to just start by opening the Google Play Store on my phone, and then here click on the profile icon at the top right, and then here you need to go to the manage apps and device options. Okay, so there are two tabs, overview and also manage. You need to click on the manage, and to see the apps that you installed in the past or the history apps, you need to click on this install box here. Can you see the not install options? Click on that. Okay, so here are the list of the apps that I installed in the past. So you can just scroll down, and if you want to re-download it again, you can just choose the apps, click on the apps, and then after that click on install. And that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you get any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, click on the thanks, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following videos. Bye.